Here with Dan Dwyer. How's the Dalby cattle sale day, Dan?
Thanks, Sam. Today, Dalby yarded 3,528 head, back 2,298 on last week, and that's due to just recent weather, a bit of rain in the area. Most categories today were firm to dearer. Your lighter cattle up by 10 cents here. All classes of your cows were 20 to 30 cents better. Now for your price.
Bullock 600 kg, 406 to 440 to average 433, up 16. Heavy feeder steers 4 to 500 kg, 430 to 504 to average 469, up 16. Heavy feeder heifer 4 to 500 kg, 358 to 456 to average 416, back 5. Prime cow 520 kg plus, 380 to 418 to average 402, up 31. Medium cow 4 to 500, 348 to 384 to average 378, up 31. Store cows up to 400 kg, 276 to 306 to average 293, up 59. Heavy bulls over 600 kg, 360 to 450 to average 412, up 26. Light bulls 350 to 408 to average 392, up 23. Yearling feeder steers 3 to 400 kg, 420 to 510 to average 472, firm on last week. Yearling feeder heifer 3 to 400 kg, 364 to 460 to average 428, up 31. Weaner steers 2 to 280 kg range, 440 to 538 to average 489, firm on last week. Weaner heifer 2 to 280 kg, 330 to 424 to average 391, up 12 cents.
This has been Dan Dwyer with Dalby's market report. Next week, Eastern Rule is selling in first position, so get your bookings in nice and early. Thank you.